Today, the web is a definitive ruler. World more than a mammoth trade of information unfolds on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. Nonetheless, in the event that the information source isn't certified or the information isn't put away fittingly, the whole world could come to a calamity. Similarly, the diversion areas, particularly sports and gaming, have gone through a change in perspective. On account of the coming of blockchain that a large number understood the intrinsic capability of calculations and cryptography, and how this could be tackled to bring the diversion area to in a state of harmony, consolidating the standards of decentralized finance and blockchain. Chiliz novel stage gives clients the honor of a wide range of science and innovation benefits, mining them on a numerical calculation, particularly for the esports and gaming areas. Before we dive into the Chiliz cost forecast, let us view a portion of the exceptional elements of Chiliz. Chiliz, the specialized examination. Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. Just in the span of 30 minutes of send-off, it had surfaced on the trade with insight about accomplishing the degree of 1 cent contrasted with its opponents like Bitcoin. In January 2020, it saw the most elevated heightening in cost to $0 a solitary Chiliz. In any case, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the mark of $0 of pandemic effect. The Chiliz cost spike that happened last year is associated to the declaration made by the Chiliz task to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During the November 2020, Chiliz cost arrived at a lower 1 cent. Until January 2021, it just showed a minimal recuperation. Be that as it may, the exhibition of Chiliz in the year starting 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers, as the value shot to a degree of 3 cents by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ USD on the cost front alongside volume. Starting from the start of spring, the cost of Chiliz reflected huge development, and it denoted another untouched high at the 89 cents mark. Nonetheless, from that point forward, the token confronted slight revision, yet later, it held 40 cents cost level. In last April, the CHZ cost checked gigantic assembly and contacted 75 cents. However, later, it adjusted down to 21 cents mark. Then, at that point, the cost of Chiliz went on until the start of August 2021. In September, the CHZ cost again stirred things up around town mark. However, later, it confronted sharp downfall and tumbled to 24 cents and went on sideways, exchanging till the finish of October. From that point forward, it checked critical recuperation, and in last November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. Nonetheless, in the wake of hitting 50 cents, according to negative signs, Chiliz has checked consistent negative pattern, and at present, it exchanges around 25 cents. Content for CHZ estimate referenced on the site. Content depends on our expectation of least cost, opposition level, greatest cost, and different pointers. We demand you really do possess research recommending projected greatest cost, hypothesized value changes, and least cost according to your assumptions for Chiliz gauge. Specialists say on Chiliz coin cost expectation uncovers the Chiliz crypto cost will be around 26 cents on December 2022. The hopeful estimate predicts an ascent of half with a future cost of 30 cents in a year and further going up to $1.56 in the following 5 years. As per Chiliz coin cost forecast specialists, an extraordinary opportunity to put resources into Chiliz, as the cost might cross 79 cents in the following 1 year continuously, and the normal greatest cost might be around 73 cents, which is plus 265% the ongoing cost. In January 2022, the cost began with 27 cents. According to Chiliz cost expectation 2022, Chiliz cost will be 24 cents before the year's over, with a hopeful pattern posing a potential threat in the forthcoming few years between 34 cents minus 50 cents. We have made an aggressive bullish pattern for 2022 according to our Chiliz cost expectation specialist. It claims 2022 will be a perfect year for Chiliz considering all variables, and the resource could reach as high as $1.13 by long term's time. CHZ will be the pick and decision of gaming financial backers in the business sectors, particularly on the grounds that it has endured for an extremely long period. Likewise, financial backers have found a variable of unwavering quality implanted in this money. Pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies, conquering all obstacles. The Chiliz cryptographic money is said to hold a benchmark for its exhibition later on, drawing in a significant games financial backer local area from the business sectors, outperforming all assumptions in view of the most recent insight about computerized coins. The worth of obstruction level R1, R2, and R3 are 19 cents, 20 cents, and 20 cents separately. At the hour of composing this specialized examination and Chiliz gauge, the ongoing cost of Chiliz is 20 cents with an exchanging volume of CHZ is $187,924,845 and the market cap of Chiliz is $1,079,375,366 with a flowing stockpile of 5,344,064,580 CHZ. The ongoing all-time high is 87 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2022. CHZ figure predicts the Chiliz value equivalent to 28 cents will stay consistent. Chiliz digital currency can exchange with a base cost as low as 20 cents. Chiliz cost expectation 2022 by specialists assess Chiliz cost to exchange around 26 cents in Q2, 28 cents in Q3, and 29 cents in Q4. The street ahead is brimming with pedals according to CHZ cost conjecture. Gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all boundaries, scaling point of the greatest cost of 30 cents. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the cryptographic money market. Chiliz cost expectation expects the CHZ cost is good to go to insist areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. CHZ coin value expectation uncovers Chiliz will likely be conveyed by the NFT publicity for some time. In any event, transient counter developments or even revisions in the coin are by anticipated. Chiliz could draw in significantly more consideration before very long. The Chiliz cost will surely not be unaffected for impending days. Chiliz value forecast 2023. CHZ has laid out a quick, dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item. These highlights can assist the CHZ with begetting gain a lot greater cost degree of 51 cents as projected most extreme cost. If the drive for useful crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush with the Chiliz cost gauge with the coin cost could arrive at a level over the base cost of 24 cents. Our Chiliz value expectations depend on momentary specialized investigation done by advertised specialists. Crypto market is viewed as unpredictable with high gamble included. Chiliz is entering a profoundly serious and heartless space, off-chain scaling. Given the posting on the regarded expectation stage, a clear cost flood in CHZ USD can unquestionably be anticipated. Chiliz value forecast 2024. There are many theories going ahead for CHZ coin cost expectation, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and blasting areas of progress the corporate has plans on. There are presumptions in view of market cost expectations that the cost of Chiliz might arrive at a place of 42 cents. CHZ estimate predicts the most extreme cost. Lease cost to be 50 cents and 30 cents separately. Before you choose to buy CHZ, look for a well-qualified assessment to advance your methodology choices assessing market cap, projected Chiliz cost, opposition level, and so on to limit the dangers implied in this unstable market. Chiliz value forecast 2025. According to Chiliz cost forecast, on a drawn-out situation, the cost of Chiliz is set to get a move on with other digital currencies to obviously show up at any rate cost of 70 cents and greatest cost of 88 cents inside a couple of days of its entering 2025. CHZ conjectured